Welcome to my new tutorial video. Before the vid, don't forget to like and subscribe. Want this? Spam shakes on CapCut. First, make tiles, like we did before on this video tutorial.
Few moments later.
Then export. Then start new project and zoom the clip and split the clips into shorter clips. Now add black screen. Then add a bleak blur. Cut it by half using black screen. Put it on beginning of the clip. Add keyframes like I am adding blur 100, rotate 28. Now follow my keyframe movement. Then copy it 6 to 8 times. For the next clip, do the same, but make rotate to 66. And again, follow my keyframe movements. Then copy it 6 to 8 times. And do the same process for the next clips.
Few moments later.
Then go to Effects and select Shakes. Speed 7, Intensity also 7. Make it cover the whole edit. Then again add Rebound Swing. Speed 23, size 19. Sorry, speed 25, size 15. Go to Animation. Then go to Out. Select Fade Out and make 0.1 second. Apply it to all clips. After you've finished, export it. I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching.